What's the best stackable battery system? Today, we're reviewing BigBattery's Ethos stackable battery system. I'm going to give you some tips on how to install this and how I installed it. I'm going to show you where I got this. We're going to go over the key features, and I'm going to give you a discount code so you can save some money. You're watching Taddy Digest. I'm Tad. Let's get started. So what does this battery come with, and what is this? So what you're looking at first on top is the controller box. And this controller box can be scaled from 5 kilowatt all the way up to 80 kilowatt. Below this first section, which is the controller box, you have your first module. And this module is 100 amp hour and it's 51 volts and it's 5 kilowatt. So this is about 100 pounds. And this is stacked on top of another module. So together these two modules are 200 amp hours at 51 volts or 48 volts. And then at the very bottom, you have your base. So when I ordered this, I ordered the 10 kilowatt system. You can order different systems, whether 10, 20, or 30 kilowatt, and then you stack them all together. So you stack first the base on the ground, then you put the first module on top, second module on that. If you've got a third module, put that one on top, and then eventually you put your controller box on. Each one of these modules, as well as the controller box, has side panels. You can see this one's loose because I've disconnected it so we can actually see the connections. So what does this come with? It comes with your communication cables that go in between each module. That way they can communicate together. You have to set the ID, so you have different IDs, whether it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 64. So you can connect several modules together. Then to connect those modules, you've got to have your battery cables. But I've got my battery cables that connect each module together. And then you'll notice there's a breaker for each module. That way you can turn the power on when you're ready. All of these batteries connect together, these modules, and then they connect to the controller box. So you can see these longer cables going all the way down to the bottom module. That way we can correctly parallel each battery module together and then to the controller box. Then over here on the left side of this controller box, we've got our battery cables and our communication cables that connect not only the communication cables to each module, but our communication cable and battery cables that go into our inverter. And this connects to, right now, to our Power Pro wall mount battery. And I'm actually connect to the RS485 of this battery. And we're basically daisy chaining from this battery over to this battery or this controller box. And then you can see I've got these Polaris lugs and I'm basically tied into the bus bars of my Power Pro wall mount battery. So that's everything that comes with it. And that's how it's connected into my current system. What's great about the Ethos battery is we can actually set the power, the protocol to Lux Power, and that will help this battery system to communicate with this inverter because that's the protocol that we're using for our communications. Tips for installation: you're going to need this to install this firmly against a wall. This is very heavy, especially all put together. This is a couple 100 pounds. And what they give you to install this to your wall, which needs to be a non-combustible surface, mine is brick, is these L brackets. You can see the L brackets has Phillips screws that tie the first controller box to the first module. And then down here, the first and second module together with Phillips screws. And then there's hardware that comes with it that I was able to use these screws to screw these L brackets to the wall. So there's two on each side, and this keeps it firmly secured to the wall. Now we're on Signature Solar's website where we're going to look at those key features. Remember, in the link in the description, there's a discount code so you can save some money at Signature Solar. So let's go over the first key feature. Scalable power, 5.12 kilowatt hour modules, expandable up to 80 kilowatt. Per Ethos controller box. So we got our control box and we can put 80 kilowatts connected to that control box. Safety first, Tier 1 Life PO4 cells and built-in fire extinguishing modules ensure maximum safety. So we've got the fire extinguisher inside basically. That is really cool. And it makes you feel safer using this for your home backup. Smart monitoring. Advanced BMS technology provides real-time monitoring, so we can monitor the voltage, the current, and the temperature for better performance. Reliable connectivity. So UL certified connectors ensuring security and reliability for our power connections. Durable design. IP65 rated casing protects against the elements for long-lasting reliability. So if I'm not mistaken, this is waterproof. That is really cool. The casing is waterproof. So versatile applications, ideal for emergency backup or as a part of a solar energy system. So it's designed for 48 volt applications. We can work with our inverter, residential power systems, home solar systems, and a bunch more. Then you can look at what it included, and then let's go to warranty, 10-year warranty. That's awesome. That says a lot. If you want to learn more about the Husky 2 that we just reviewed, go check it out. We got a 12-year warranty for that battery, and it was 100 amp hour. So, but also scalable and into a modular system. Now we're looking at the display for the Ethos controller. We've got 98% charging. It says standby, so we can see whether it's discharging or charging if we hold the back button and then release the button. We can set the protocol. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3. Now we can set our protocol. We can set it for grow or lux. Make sure that you turn the power off and reset the battery after you set the protocol. We're going to choose lux. Then we go back. Now we can see everything, and if we hit back, we can see what it's set for. You see it didn't save our setting because we didn't turn off our modules and turn off our controller and reset it. Remember to set the IDs. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope that you learned something. If you did, definitely let me know what it was down in the comments. You got a question? Remember, questions can lead to new content, so put your questions down below. But if you don't have a question, that's okay. Let me know who you are and let me know where you're from. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and smash that bell. Ding! So you know what I'm doing. You need a stackable battery system? Look no further. Check out BigBattery. BigBattery has got awesome stackable battery systems, so you can get up to 80 kilowatts and have something for your whole entire home. Storage that's going to last. Go check out Signature Solar and be sure and look at that discount code and the link in the description so you can at least save about $50 upon checkout. You've been watching Taddy Digest. I'm Tad, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.